Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Hands by Shay. Today I will be sharing with you how to make a child scarf, and I will also be making a beanie as well to match with the scarf. So the yarn that I will be using today is the Bernat Premium. It is a lightweight acrylic yarn. The crochet hook to use with this yarn is a 5mm crochet hook. It is a size 4 medium yarn, but the hook that I will be using is a 4.5 crochet hook, and for the hat I will be using a 4.0mm crochet hook. You will be needing a pair of scissors, your crochet needle, and measuring tape. So let's get crocheting, guys. So we're gonna begin by making a slip knot. Make sure that it is loose on the hook, and then you're gonna chain 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So now we're at our 21 chains. You're going to count from the chain on the hook here. You're going to count 1, 2, 3. So you're going to skip these 3 and you're going to start in the 4th chain here. So you're going to be making V stitches. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook here, and you're going to be making double crochets. So pull up your loop, yarn over again, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through next 2. Then you're going to chain 1, and in the same space here, you're going to make another double crochet. So that's our first V right there. You're going to yarn over and you're going to count 1, 2, 3. And in the 3rd chain, you're going to make 1, 2, 3 here. You're going to make another set of double crochets. Chain 1 in the same stitch. One, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then pull through next 2. You're going to make a chain 1, yarn over, and in the same stitch you're going to make another double crochet. Yarn over, and then you're going to count again 1, 2, 3, and in this one you're going to make your next 2 double crochets. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through both. Chain 1, insert your hook in the same space, pull up your loop, yarn over again, pull through 2, then pull through last 2. That's your next V right there. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through next 2, chain 1, in the same stitch, another double crochet. One, two, three, one, two, three here. Chain your 1, and in the same stitch, you're gonna make another 1. Now you have 2 stitches here. You're gonna go in the last stitch here and you're gonna make 1 double crochet. So it's gonna be like the base side of your scarf. And there it is. So you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 V's. And you have 1 base over here and another base over on the other side. Now you're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, yarn over. In the V space here, you're gonna put 2 double crochets. So just as we did before, yarn over, pull through 2, then pull through next 2. Then you're gonna chain 1, yarn over, insert, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then pull through last 2. So that's your next V. Again, yarn over, chain 1, and there's your next V. So you're going to continue this sequence and we will be making about 8 rows of this here, and then I will meet you when we reach at the end of this row. So now I am at the end and you're going to make your double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, go inside the loop here, pull through, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through next 2. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to chain your work. So basically this is what you will be doing for the next 6 rows. So as I stated before, we will be going to 8 rows of lilac, and then when we're at our 8th row, I will show you how to change the yarn color. Now I am at my 8 rows and this is what it looks like, but I think it's a little bit too short for me to join the next yarn. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add 4 more rows so it's a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is the sequence is to use 12 rows of lilac and 12 rows of the baby pink until we reach the desired length, and we can stop there. So I'm just going to make 4 more and then I'll be right back with you. Now I am at my row 12 and this is what my yarn looks like, or my work I should say. So now we're going to join our pink yarn. So I'm going to cut here and I'm going to make a slip knot. And I'm going to insert it like that, pull it down on the hook, and I'm going to pull through, and I'm going to pull this part down tight here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to also tie here. And then I'm going to chain 2. So 1, 2. You're going to turn your work. We will weave this part in later on. And you're just going to continue doing the same V stitch here. There it is. So you're going to continue doing this until you reach your row 12. When you reach your row 12, then you will change your yarn, and you will start using your lilac again. And when you reach the next 12, again, you change to your baby pink yarn. Okay, so I will meet you at the end of this 12. Now I am at the end of section 2, and this is what it looks like. So I have already gone ahead and cut off my pink yarn, and I will be joining this color here. So I'm just going to show you another way how you can join your yarn. So pull up your loop like this, pull through, make sure that this is tight down, and then you're going to pull on this. Okay, and then you're going to chain 1, 2. And turn your work. What you're going to do is you're going to bring this piece of lilac here around this way, and then you're going to yarn over, insert, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull up, and pull through all 2. Chain your 1. So this thread here or yarn here will be hiding in the back of your stitches that you're making. So that's another way how you can actually do it. Okay, so I will see you when I reach at the next round. The length that you want the scarf to be, and how tall the child is, it varies. So I'm just gonna be this scarf actually will work for 4, 5, 6, 7-year-old, up to 10 years. The scarf that I'm making, it will fit up to that size. So you're just going to continue the same sequence, and I will meet you at the end. So guys, my scarf is now completed and this is what it looks like. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks, and each blocks has 12 rows of V stitches inside. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to attach my pom-pom, but before I do so, I'm just gonna do this. Just gonna put it together, and then I am going to sew my pom-pom on. So I'm just gonna tack it like that. And these are my pom-poms for both ends. So now I am going to sew the pom-pom on. Okay, this is giving me okay, so I'm attaching my pom-pom onto the end of the scarf. So I'm just basically sewing the pom-pom together. So when I'm through sewing my pom-pom on, I'll be right back with you. So I'm almost there. So there it is, guys. The scarf is now completed and it is measured 45 inches long. Initially, I had wanted it to measure 40 inches, 35 to 40. But when I recalculate my stitches, I see that it would not have measured 40 inches, but actually 45 inches long. So I can measure it to let you see. So what I will do is I will measure from the base of the pom-pom here, because some of the scarf is under the pom-pom. So I will go from here. So I'll take my time and run it right across so you can see. Oops. There it is. So that's 45 inches. So what I will do now, I will go ahead and I will start to work on the beanie. So I'll be right back with you.